Hi students, I'm making this little video to answer a question that came up in class this week. So the question here is it a noun or a verb? So is it a noun or a verb? Well, sometimes it's both. In English, some words can be nouns or verbs. When we use them, often the meaning is the same, but sometimes it's not. So let's look at a few examples. Exercise. Exercise can be a noun and a verb, and the meaning is the same. I like exercise. Here, exercise is a noun. It's a thing. I like to exercise. Here, exercise is a verb. It's an action. We use to because we cannot put two verbs together. Note that we can also use a gerund, I like exercising. This is because with the verb like, we can use an infinitive to exercise, or we can use a gerund after the verb. But see, it doesn't make a difference because the meaning is the same. I like exercise, I like to exercise, both are correct, and the meaning is the same. Another verb is work. Work can be a noun or a verb. The meaning is similar. I don't like work. Here, work is a noun. It's a thing. I don't like to work. Here, work is a verb. We're talking about the action. I can also say I don't like working. Okay, so after the verb like, we can use an infinitive to work, or we can use the gerund working. The meaning is similar, so it doesn't make a difference. Both are correct. But then we talked about the verb party. Okay, so maybe this is new for you. Party is a verb. So party can be a noun or a verb, but the meaning is a little different. Also, we use them a little differently. So a party is a place where people eat, drink, and celebrate, like a birthday party. The noun party is also a count noun. It has a singular and a plural. When we use count nouns to talk about things in general, such as things I like or don't like, we use the plural. So we say, I like parties, right? We don't say, I like party. Okay, that's not correct. And also, we don't say, I like a party, right? Because we're talking about all parties. Okay, so when we use a count noun, we have to use the plural when we're talking about things in general. Okay? For the verb party means to go out, to dance, to drink, and sometimes it means you like to do drugs. So be careful if you say, I like to party. People might misunderstand you. When we use the verb after like, we have to use an infinitive, I like to party, or a gerund, I like partying. Right? We can use the infinitive or the gerund after the verb like. There are not many words that are nouns and verbs, so you don't have to worry about this too much. With exercise and work, the meaning is the same. So you can't really make a mistake. The verb party is probably new for you, but I don't think you'll use it much. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.